Good afternoon, Queensland. It is Friday, the 18th of the 3rd, 2016. Okay, in this forecast video, we'll look at thunderstorms this afternoon, tomorrow through southeast and central parts, and then Sunday through central parts. Just a chance. The low up the top briefly. Let's to see what's happening with it. Okay, so Friday afternoon here, now live. You can see that there's developing thunderstorms through southern inland parts. And so I just had to get the cat out of the bin. And they are continuing to develop through this afternoon. They should just slide along through southern inland parts in here. There's a new low that's trying to develop on the monsoon trough out here off Cairns. There's been brief spin-ups. It will continue to move away, and just you can see what's happening. The southeast winds are just cranking some showers. Possible heavy showers there. Right up the top of the Cape, if I can pick it up here, or the peninsula, sorry, you can see a band of thunderstorms there. That's from the old low, the original old low, flicking off a bit of a spiral there, and the monsoon trough across the top with some heavy rain, but that's right up the top. We expect that to stay high over the weekend, high in the peninsula, and not move back down. Okay, let's move on to the wind streams for tomorrow. This is from BSCH and GFS. What I want to show you here, this is 10 a.m. Saturday morning. In northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland, we have a coastal surface trough or a southeast southerly change moving up the coast. Now, normally if this came through in the afternoon, it would help trigger showers and thunderstorms through the southeast Queensland region. However, the timing at this stage seems to be a little bit poor, and obviously when these come through, it cools the temperatures and stabilises the atmosphere somewhat. So you can see it's pushed through by 10 a.m., which is not really good timing. If we forward out to 4 p.m. Tomorrow, Saturday, you can also see that the southeast surge sort of establishes itself in the ridge right along the coast. All right, it's gone right up Rockhampton, right through to Lismore. There's that. But inland here we have what they call a boundary. Now, a boundary is where the southeast change moves up the coast and curls back inland and meets drier air and hot air from the west. It's along this boundary that we believe, and just to its east, that we believe that showers and thunderstorms will occur from up here from about just south of Emerald through Mundubbera, down along the ranges here in southeast Queensland and into northeast New South Wales. But we also do believe that they will stay inland, because of stable air mass along the coast thanks to the southeast change. What may happen along the coast here is some showers. Well, obviously because the winds are onshore. If we move out to Sunday, not a whole lot changes. You can see there is a weak surface trough in through the inland here with the southeasters along the coast, again some showers, and then this surface trough inland here through the Downs and up towards Emerald. There's a bit of instability suggested along the central parts as well, from Gympie to Rocky. I'll show you that in a minute. So yeah, if there was any showers and thunderstorms, I'd expect them to be inland again, and then going up a little bit higher into central districts around Emerald and Rockhampton. Okay, so if we move on to the lifted index, which is instability for tomorrow, I won't talk about today. We know what's happening. Storms across the southern inland. You can see here the blue shaded areas is instability. You can see the dip up there in the blue shaded areas and the instability where the southeast change is pushing through. This is at 4 p.m. Now, there is some suggestion on GFS that the area around the Sunshine Coast to Gympie may also receive a thunderstorm. We're a bit dodgy about it. We're a bit sus about it, bit sceptical. But certainly inland parts in here like that. And look, there is a chance, I guess, here for this area, but we believe that along the coast the conditions will stabilise as far as thunderstorms are concerned, and they'll be just showers. If we move on to Sunday, there is a kind of a broad area of weak instability, if you like. So I think most of these along the coast here, most of this here from especially Fraser Island south, will be showers. All right, and there is just the chance of isolated thunderstorm activity through central districts, from Bundaberg to Rocky, Emerald, and then back down into southern inland districts like that on Sunday afternoon. Just a chance of storms, okay? And if we move over here to the HSC premium forecast here, you can also see for Saturday where I've shaded the areas just inland for a moderate risk of storms at this stage and showers down the coast. All right. Okay, guys, that's enough for me. That's the weekend outlook. Temperatures are going to be a little bit warm inland, but they should be pretty good along the coast. Might be a bit warm and humid before the southeasters kick in, and a bit hot over inland. But no, apart from that, there's no other major weather systems occurring. All right, have a great weekend, guys, and thanks for watching.